Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Solflare Wallet. To change your wallet's name on Solflare is super easy. Open your Solflare application on your mobile device first. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner from the homepage. Now, click the Edit button right at the top right corner under My Wallets. Click the three dots right next to your wallet you want to rename and tap on Rename Wallet in the pop-up at the bottom. Enter a new name for your wallet and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your wallet's name. Click on Done at the top right to save your changes. And that's how you easily change your wallet's name for Solflare. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.